Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. This is your boy Survivor FX, back again into the market with the market breakdown. So guys, on Friday, let's hop on to the charts quickly and just analyze the market for the day and see what we could be expecting for tomorrow. So guys, let's quickly hop on to the chart. So as you already know how I normally does it, I always like to start from my higher time frame to see my major trend of the market so that I can know where the market is heading towards. So as you can kindly see, we are on the weekly time frame right now. To see the major trend of the market, as you can clearly see, we are in a strong bullish trend, but you can see many higher highs and higher lows. Higher lows. Let's quickly start from here. Went up. You see this? Reversed here. Give us equal highs. Came down. Later on came back to broke it up. Okay. So which clearly tells that the market is in an uptrend. So let's move on to the next, which is the daily. I always try to see the major trend, which is still in a bullish. So let's come to the 4 hour. For the 4 hour, this is where I normally like to mark my zones, my support and resistance zones. So as you can clearly see, we are still in a bullish trend on the 4 hour. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a buy opportunities in the market. So this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for buy opportunities in the market. So guys, let's hop on to the 1 hour. That's where I try to look for my zones. So as you can clearly see, we are in a bullish trend. So this is what I'm expecting for tomorrow, which is here. So this is a major zone, right? So this is a zone, which is a resistance. So whenever the market is in a bullish trend, now you're looking for a buy opportunities. So where is your next target? Where are you going to enter the market? You're not going to look for a resistance or a support, right? Either it breaks the resistance or it comes to the support. Yeah. So let me hop into my 30 minutes time frame. So as you can clearly see, this is where the market is. So I'm expecting the market to do what? Break out on this trend line. If I see a breakout, which will be in the New York section, not the London section, the New York section. So as soon as it breaks out, I will looking for a retest of the trend line, then push up, which will be something similar like this. Up to the trend line and push up. Or I'll be expecting for a breakout of the zone, the resistance here. It will come back to retest it. So the retest, one thing you should know, that the retest is not just retesting here. It must break the zone a little. It must break the zone. As soon as it breaks the resistance to the downside, then from here we will look for a buy opportunities. So I'll be looking for my entries around over here, which will quietly be. So this is what I'm expecting on US30 for tomorrow. So let's hop on to gold. So as you can clearly see, to gold is also what. So let's quickly move on to the higher time frame to check. Okay, you can clearly see what the market is truly in a bullish trend, but we can still see our higher highs and higher lows. Didn't break it, but then it was the next came down. Okay, so let's move on to the 1 hour. Oh sorry, I was on the monthly. This is the weekly rather. I don't like going to the monthly. I normally like to do it, start it on the weekly, because I'm a day trader, so I normally like to start it on the weekly. So let me hop on to the daily. As you can clearly see, the market is still in a bullish trend. So on the 4 hour, this where I want like the market, the major trend was in a bullish trend, but for me I'm expecting a bearish. I'm expecting for a sell opportunities, because I could see the market give me a little retracement to the downside. But for me, I'm expecting for sell opportunities. Sell opportunity. This is what I'm looking for. So let me hop on to the 1 hour to see what I'm looking for now. So these are what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for the market to break this trend line. When the market opens below this trend line, then I'm expecting the market to move back, retest the trend line. So it could be something like this. So maybe the market opened over here. I would like it to break, retest the trend line, and push downward. This is what I'm looking for. So it's in the two ways. So when I come to my 30 minutes time frame and the market is able to break this resistance, this main resistance, if the market breaks the resistance and close above it, they'll be looking for buy opportunities. But when it rejects it, goes and rejects back and close below it, I'll be looking for sell opportunities. I want to show it is not in the London section. It should be in the New York section. New York section. This is what you should know. It should be in the New York section, not in the London section. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a breakout of the trend line. I think the market opens over here. I'm expecting the market to break out. Right. When the market breaks out and close above this within the New York section, then I'll wait for a retest a little bit, reverse a little bit, then I'll go for buy. But this is where will be my take profit zone, the trend line, because the market might revert over there. So anyone, when the market gets to the trend line, should be careful. So this is what I'm expecting for tomorrow. So guys, this is where I will end my analysis for the day. So let's hope to see what the market will do for us tomorrow. But for good, when the market is not able to break the resistance and rejects the return close below, then we'll be looking for something like this. If the market goes back, rejects, then I'll quickly hop in. Little retracement, then I'm coming down. This will be my first take profit zone, and the second will be here. So guys, this is what I'm expecting for tomorrow. So see you some other time.